Hi, I work part-time at an auto auction, and I carry a lot of stuff in that big honking bag there. Um, Tools, food, water, first aid kit, and two things I've recently started carrying around with me are this Temu car starter and the portable air compressor. They're real lifesavers, and I recommend them. And if you watch this video, you'll find out why. The van drains after a couple of days. I usually take it off the battery, but I forgot. But now's the perfect time to test a new item from Temu. I have to edit that. There we go. See, it's blinking when it's attached right. When you touch to the battery, it turns green and it starts ticking. You have 30 seconds to start your vehicle. It'll stay put. Okay. And there you go. All right, when it started, it's going to turn red. You want to disconnect it pretty quickly. I don't think you want to leave it on. It started. Keep your hand to me. You can step back. Look at me. Now I've started 4 vehicles with this on one charge. It charges very nicely with the USB-C, which makes it very handy. The only thing is, the directions kind of suck. Takes a little while to figure that out. And also, I give it an A-, because you can't get it back in the box without a rubber band. Cut. Get the Temu air compressor all hooked up. Just goes on with your standard kind of attachment. It's what you get in the box. Directions. A little extra. USB charger. Shuts off when it gets to the pressure. Did all 4 tires, and it only went down 1 bar. Of course, they're small tires, but well, it supposedly will handle bike tires up to 65 pounds. Now, let's see if it'll handle a truck tire up to 65 pounds. That'll be a real test. It's at 56 now. Let's see. Wow, 55. Kind of a big tire for this little thing. up to 60 already? After a minute? That's pretty good. Wow. That's not too shabby. Come on, you could do it. There we go. And I used 2 bars. That's a lot of pump. I'm gonna have to change my recommendation from A to A+. Wow. Okay, if you've watched this video, I'll give you my review on these items. The air compressor, I give it a solid A+. It's multifunction, like it says. It's easy to work with. Directions are easy to follow. Has a light and all of that. The compressor, the starter, I have to give it an A- because the directions are like a friggin' joke, but it takes you a while to figure them out. And you can't get it back in the box without a rubber band. But it definitely works very well. They both charge with a Type-C that you can charge into your 12 volt. If you have any kind of phone or whatever, it charges fine. It works fine. They're cheap insurance. If you leave your lights on, you forget, you come out and your car won't start, it'll get you started. If you need to top off your tires, or as you can see in the video, I filled a truck tires up to 65 with that little thing, which is pretty awesome actually. So I can't remember what he paid for them, something like 30 something for the starter and like 15 something for the air compressor, because you know when you Temu, they got that little, you keep spinning for discounts and this, that, and the other thing, and the more you buy, the more discounts you get. So, but anyways, cheap insurance, good to have, and happy motoring. As they say, it's better to have it and not need it, than need it and not have it. Safe driving, and God bless.